Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards. Taurus, this is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. If you like this reading, if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I also have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that, guys. So let's start with these cards now. So we have Five of Pentacles, World in reverse and Hierophant. So in your situation, guys, Taurus, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. You are someone who is really confident and responsible, devoted maybe. You are devoted to your relationship or devoted to your work situation. You are doing everything in the right way as far as you are concerned based on your experience and knowledge, based on whatever you have learned. So but today in your situation you may see some kind of delays or suspensions in your work or some kind of minor problems in your relationship, guys. Maybe this person you love and yourself, you may have some kind of a misunderstanding, some arguments maybe for some of you, and your idea of handling any situation, you have a fixed idea, maybe you have firm beliefs and ideals, you go by that, you go by the book, whatever the situation is. But this person is not that. They have they have their own way of doing things and they want to do it in their own terms. So maybe because of that you may have some kind of a misunderstanding in your relationship, or it may be in your work situation, guys. Your ways of thinking or planning or doing things may differ from what other people think or plan in their in their situation. Your colleagues may be. So regarding some projects or some important decisions, they want to implement their ideas maybe. So some kind of conflict may arise because of that. But you are someone really dedicated, devoted. They respect your suggestions, but still there are some conflicts and you don't know what you need to do. So some kind of confusion may be there. So it may be a confusion in your relationship. You don't know where this connection will go or what you will be able to do, guys. So that is what I see, guys. So for your relationship, let's see what is the card. So for your relationship, we have Five of Cups. So with this card, guys, maybe you are just wishing and hoping things were better off now. So maybe some mistakes of the past has been really eating your mind. So you are simply worried about the things you have lost. Maybe you are wishing those good old days will come back. Maybe in this relationship with this person you love, you will get back those good old days. But simply brooding over the past and wishing for the past to come back is not going to help you in any way, guys. Taurus, you need to see what is there in your present. So there are few blessings in your present situation, but you are not aware of it because you are simply concerned about your past and worrying about your past situation, guys, Taurus. So that is what I see, guys. So for your career situation, let's see what is the card. We have Justice. So for your career situation, guys, looks like things are going in the right way for you. You are really confident. You know what you need to do, and you have that balance and harmony in your situation. So you have a clear idea what needs to be done and what will be the right thing for you, guys. So maybe if you are in difficult situation, guys, you are definitely coming out of that difficult situation, Taurus. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys, Taurus. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. We will see what it is. So for those who chose this card, the first card, a change in the wind. So that is the card for y'all, guys. So in your circumstances, you are preparing yourself for some kind of a situation. You feel deep down in your heart of hearts something is coming up, some kind of a feeling or a premonition maybe for some of you, and you are resisting it. You don't want to face that difficult situation, so you are resisting that change or resisting that emotion that is threatening you in this relationship. Or maybe this person you are in relationship with, they have a change of heart, something has changed and they are moving away from you for some of you, guys. Or for some of you there is some kind of sense, overwhelming emotion today. You feel something may go wrong in this relationship and you see the signs for it. So maybe you are having some arguments or some stressful situation in this relationship. But you need not worry, guys, because this is going to happen. Maybe the rough sea or rough situation offers you some kind of opportunities for mutual growth. Maybe you are growing from it. You will learn the valuable lessons you need to learn because you are facing these difficult circumstances today, and you will understand yourself and you will understand this other person in a better way, and you can be happy for that. You can be happy for for that lesson you are learning today, maybe if you are already in some difficult circumstance. So you need to just stay away from this from these emotions. Maybe take a break from this relationship, or take a break from reacting to the other person, reacting to this relationship, and this will clear things. And you need to understand that even this situation will change, this too will change for sure. So nothing is permanent in our life, guys, even our troubles. So it is going to change very soon, guys. So that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the other card. So for those who chose this card, it is an angel card, guys. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us, and this angel card stands for love, peace and tolerance. So this angel guides us helps us to have that true love in our lives, unconditional love, love for ourselves and love for others. And in order to have that love, we need to see the beauty of that other person, beauty of their soul, see the beauty at the heart level. So when you are struggling with relationships, finding it difficult to adjust, or finding it really difficult to find that love and compatibility in any relationship, this angel helps us to repair that wounded or broken relationships. And the guidance is for us to be non-judgmental with the people who are there in our life, find that common ground, have that mutual love, respect, caring, compassion for each and every one of our personal journeys. So we respect, just like we respect what we love to do or what is our life's purpose, same way we respect that other person. So when we do that, it brings that tolerance and peace in our relationship, harmony. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you should be able to, if you want this love, if you want this relationship, you should be able to find a way to connect deeply with the other person through love, tolerance and peace. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.